Alright, this is packet tracer 923 troubleshooting VTP. So we are going to identify any VTP configuration issues, correct the issues, and test it, make sure we're all okay. So users are complaining that there seems to be connectivity issues. The hosts are unable to ping their default gateways or another host on the same VLAN. After examining the configuration baseline, we determine the following information. So the VTP server is switch 4 up here. VTP clients are 1, 2, 3, and 5. The transparent is 0. And the existing VLANs is number 1, number 10, number 20. So we want to identify the correct VTP settings. So VTP is configured correctly on switch 4. So let's look at switch 4. Oops, daisy. So right now it's already telling all these messages are letting us know unable to perform trunk negotiation on port FA0/24 because of VTP domain mismatch. So let's see what this one's got. So it's got 23 and 24 as a trunk. Which is this one going to the switch here, and this one going to the router. And then gigabit Ethernet 1 and 2 that are going to other switches are also trunk ports. So we've got VLAN 1, alright. So that's our show run. Let's look at show VTP status. So if we do that, we can see this is the server. We are in VTP version 2. The domain name is XYZ. Okay. So let's see. We've only got VLAN 1 here on this server, so we're going to have to add VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Let's see. Let's do a show VTP password, and the password is Cisco. Alright, so we just need to add those VLANs real quick. And we just need to do VLAN 10, and then we will name that VLAN 10 and exit, and then VLAN 20, name VLAN 20, exit. And I typed something wrong and it's trying to look up a domain server here, so that's helpful. Alright, well that's searching the interwebs. Let's go through all the other switches, make sure they have the password set and the domain's right. So this is switch 0. So if we do a show VTP status, on this one we can see it's transparent, which it should be. The domain name is wrong. It should be XYZ all lowercase. So let's do a show VTP password Cisco. So that's okay. So we just need to do a conf t and do a VTP domain XYZ. And it's transparent, the password's okay, so we can just do an end and then copy run start on switch 0. Go to switch 1. I didn't want that. So this one is set to a server, and it's set for the capitalized domain, which we don't want. So we would do a VTP domain XYZ, and then VTP mode client. And let's just set the password to Cisco. And end, copy run start. Okay, switch 2. Man, I've got that one searching for the internet now. So let's try this switch 3. So we want to we'll just go ahead and set this one, instead of checking it, XYZ. Okay, we need to go into configure terminal, VTP domain XYZ, it's already set, VTP mode client. So let's change to client mode. VTP password is Cisco. Already Cisco. Great. Copy run start on that one. Let's see if this one's done. Okay. Enable conf t VTP domain XYZ. So that one was wrong, and we've just fixed it. VTP mode client. It was already client. And Cisco already set. Copy run start. So we've done these 3, this one, so we need to do switch 5. Domain XYZ. VTP domain XYZ. VTP mode client. And VTP password is Cisco. So we do a copy run start there. So we need to ensure that all hosts can ping their default gateways. Ensure that all hosts can ping the other host in its VLAN. And ensure that all hosts can ping across VLANs. That's a lot of pings. Alright, so let's go to PC1. And ping their gateway. Looks pretty good. ping PC2 is 10. PC2 is 10.3, 10.2. Okay, so PC2 is out of PC1's VLAN, 10.1. So, and then that works, so let's find out. This is in VLAN 20, and so is this one, so 20.3. So it can ping in its own VLAN, it can ping into the other VLAN. Ensure that all hosts, that's a lot of hosts. Alright. So let's try PC2. Pings the default gateway. We've already pinged between 1 and 2, so we know that works. So let's try 20.3. And this one eventually works. PC0 is 10.2, so it's the same VLAN. And that works. So I tried a host from VLAN 10, and it can ping its own VLAN, the other VLAN. I did a host from VLAN 20. It could ping its own VLAN and the other VLAN. What we'd be doing now is just reversing those and pinging back, which of course would work. If one can ping that way, it should be going back the other way. So we have got everything completed here. Everything's connected as it should be. So that is troubleshooting VTP issues. Thank you very much.